Lotus has unveiled the all-new Emira GT4 race car on the iconic Hethel test track, with a dynamic demonstration of its thrilling performance. At an exclusive event earlier this week, VIP guests were treated to passenger laps of the legendary 2.2-mile circuit with Gavan Kershaw, Director of Vehicle Attributes at Lotus and a former British GT Championship winner, at the wheel. The Emira GT4 marks the start of an exciting new era in performance GT racing for Lotus. It is the first new model from Lotus Advanced Performance, the bespoke vehicle and experiential division of the business launched earlier this year. The advanced composite bodywork makes the car exceptionally lightweight, and is coupled with Toyota's race-proven 3.5-litre V6 engine and optimized GT4 aerodynamics derived from the road-going Emira's advanced exterior design. Since last September's announcement, the Hethel-based development team has focused on precision engineering to deliver outstanding dynamics and high-speed stability. Many hundreds of hours of validation work have taken place on the test track, and over the winter the Emira GT4 also headed to Portimão in Portugal for a week. In addition to the better weather, it's one of the most challenging circuits in Europe, making it the perfect destination to validate aero performance and component reliability.